These are the skincare rules to live by in 2026. I know this is March, and you might be thinking, better late than never. And for all you know, another person might be seeing it, early next year or whenever. Anyways, my name is Damilala. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, please do not be a stranger here. Make sure you come back for more videos. And if you are returning subscribers, you have a special place in my heart. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, we are talking about I've made a video like this before, but I'm here to reiterate the skincare rules that we are to live by in 2026. Guys, it breaks my heart when people do not do the basic things they're supposed to do, especially when I have said it before that, especially the way I need to catch my breath before I continue. Skincare products are not cheap. And I think this is one of the reasons why these things get to me. When people don't do the basic things and they do not get the result they are supposed to get. Anyway, let's get right into it. Number one, cleanse your skin. Don't go to bed with makeup. Don't If you've been out all day, don't go to bed without washing your face. It's not nice. It's not nice. Don't do that. Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it to your skin. Do you guys know that I've had somebody that has done, great work on their skin, and the only time the person went to bed with makeup, it was bad. It was really bad. And that is even to say that sometimes we don't really know our skin. We don't really know our skin. So please don't go to bed with makeup. Don't go to bed with dirty face. If you've been outside, you can even double cleanse. If you've been indoors, make sure you wash your face before you sleep. Even if it's just the basic things that you would do, even if it's just to cleanse your face, and after cleansing it, you moisturize and you go to bed. But not doing anything at all. It's not nice. Please, let's not do that. Let's be better. You're welcome. I feel like I'm supposed to say this what I'm about to say first, but then it's important to know your skin type, guys. That is skincare 101. If you don't know that, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you've been doing. You need to know your skin type. You need to know your skin type, ladies and gentlemen. This is what will help you with every other thing that you will do. If you cannot determine or differentiate if your skin is oily or dry or combination or whatever, how do you choose your products? It will just be guessing game upon guessing game. If you see this one today, you will do what the person is doing. If you see that one today, you will do what that one is doing. That is what will happen, and none of these products will work if you do not, know the most important thing, which is to know your skin type. I have made videos about this in the past, and I feel like I'm beginning to sound like a broken record, but yeah, know your skin type. Know your skin type. If you're asking, how do I know my skin type? And then I have a video here and it will pop up now. It will help you to know it will help you to know your skin type. It's less than 6 minutes, it's not long at all. So please make sure you watch it and know your skin type. It's very important. Know your skin type. Okay. Another rule to live by is to always moisturize your skin. And this is for my oily and acne prone skin babes. Amen. Do you guys know that it's even a myth that people that have oily skin do not need moisturizer? That's not true, because if you do not moisturize your skin, if your skin is not getting a lot of moisture, it gets oilier. And that's the truth. You can even test it out yourself. After cleansing your face, just leave it. Don't do anything. And because if you do not moisturize your skin, the signal you are sending is that, oh, this place is dry. This place is it's not a fertile ground. It's a desert, and yeah, yeah. So you need to moisturize your skin. Very, very crucial. Moisturizing the face, whatever, regardless of your skin type, whether it's oily, whether it's super oily, it's very important to use your moisturizer in the morning and at night. Now, I want to say that if you have products that are very heavy, or if your sunscreen is very, very, very moisturizing, you can skip moisturizer in the morning. And that is not even you skipping moisturizer, because you already made up for it. You will make up for it with your sunscreen. Yeah, so you're not entirely ditching moisturizer. So yeah, moisturize your skin, kids. Very crucial. Another skincare rule to live by in 2026 is not to neglect other parts of your body. I find that people nurture the face, the most. You're not the only one. Even me, I can be guilty sometimes. There are times that, after washing my face and, of course, washing my body, it's not the same TLC I give the face, I give the body every day. But we need to do better, especially the back of our ears, our neck, the back of our neck, and the rest of the body, your arms, your legs, everywhere. The same way you find days, the same way you have days that you exfoliate the face, there should be days you also exfoliate the rest of the body. Do they use your body polish or your body scrub? It's important. When you're just starting out, you can do 3 to 4 times in a week. Or if you are very, very busy, in fact, even if you are exfoliating your skin just once in a week, it might take time, but you will see results and you see a very, very big difference between when you start and when you were not doing it. Guys, these things are so important. I don't like it when the face looks so fresh, so healthy, and the skin is looking all scruffy and ashy, and it's not nice. It's not nice. Please, let's do better. That ashy and scruffy, we're still talking about it. Hydration. I've spoken about it a bit when I spoke about moisturizing your skin, but this time around, I want to talk about getting a lot of hydration from inside out. That is by, taking a lot of water, making sure that what you are putting into the system is good, and the things you are putting into your body system are things that are good and nourishing for the skin, for your body, and in extension, your skin. Your skin is what you eat. Even me, I'm guilty of these things. I've said it in one of my videos that it's all of us. It's not just you, so don't feel bad. And it's never too late to, pick up new habits that will, um, be of great benefit to you in the future. So, yeah, still talking about ashy, make sure you moisturize your lips. Yeah, even if it's just Vaseline, petroleum jelly that you put on your lips, please do that. If it's just lip gloss, make sure you do that. Make sure you don't walk around with ashy lips and ashy fingers, legs. Let's not do that. Okay, okay. Another skincare rule to live by is not to up on all trends. If you tell some people to bring out their makeup stash or where they put their skincare products, the leather box, it can't contain it. Why? I think I'll be delusional to ask why, because honestly I've been there, and it wasn't because I was upping on all trends. It was because, number one, I had not gotten the hang of my skin. Then I've never been the one to up on trends, so honestly I don't. But yeah, let's not digress too much. Do not up on all trends. It's not good for you. It's not good for your skin. If you see that a new toner has come out today, you've gone to buy it. Tomorrow, another moisturizer. Some of you will not even find out if it's good for your skin, if it's what you can use, if it's something that you cannot use. You will just go and buy it. Then you now come on people's comment section and start saying, that it does not work. It does not work. Is it for your skin type? Is it for you? Did you go through the ingredient list? Do you even know if oh my god, guys, please, let's do better. Don't up on all trends because I have said so doesn't even mean that you should get it. Come on, it doesn't mean you should get it though. It doesn't mean it doesn't. If you have something that you've been using and is very good for you, stick to it. Don't change it, except maybe you want to experiment, or maybe you're tired of it, or maybe you just want something else. But jumping on everything and doing what everybody is doing, it will come back to bite you in the ass. I said so. Another skincare rule to live by is to always declutter your skincare stash. See, I want us to do something. Bring out your skincare products one day and check out for expiry dates, check out for the shelf life, check out for. Do you guys know that there are some products that expire after opening them for like 3 to 6 months? There are products like that. I find that especially with vitamin C products, if you open vitamin C and you're still using it for like 8 months, that thing has expired. Even if the expiry date says 2027 or 2030, it has expired. And that's why sometimes something that you've been using start having adverse effects on your face, or it just stops working. And like, this thing doesn't work anymore. Is it still good? Has it not expired? Those are the things that we need to ask ourselves. Those are the things that we need to do. Bring out your stash and go and evaluate yourself. Go and evaluate your skincare product. Go and do an audit of everything and come back and let's hear you. Okay? You're welcome. I'm sure you've been waiting for the next one I want to talk about. Use your sunscreen. Very crucial. I know it's quite controversial, especially in the Black community, but you guys, I've seen the wonders of sunscreen. I've seen how good sunscreen is. I've seen the benefits, and people around me have also testified. Guys, sunscreen is very, very good. Very, very good. Let me just give you a tip for your morning routines. If you need to use your sunscreen, you can just add an antioxidant. It could be vitamin C, it could be niacin, it could be anything. But I find that vitamin C's work very well with sunscreen. They are tea. You need to use sunscreen, you guys. I don't know how else to talk about it and not go overboard, or start babbling. But yeah, if you've not been using, go and get it. And if you are diligent with it and you do the things you're supposed to do, and you still have not seen any result at all in your routine, then come back. We need to have a discussion. You can ask me in my comment section, you can send me a mail, or you can reach out to me on other platforms. I will definitely respond. Use your sunscreens, please. Lastly, for this video, I want to talk about patience. Patience. That is another skincare rule to live by in big 2026. I feel like this doesn't even need so much explanation. Guys, we need to have a lot of patience when it comes to skincare. We just have to, and by extension, kindness and grace to your skin, to yourself. Don't put a lot of pressure on yourself. In one of my videos, I was saying that there are people that want to heal 8 to 10 years of acne or hyperpigmentation or whatever the skin concern is in just 2 weeks. Don't fall victim of people that will just collect your money and give you products that won't work, or products that will work and later have and later take you back to square one. Patience is key. It's non-negotiable. We can't talk about it enough. Please have a lot of patience. Be graceful to your skin and be very kind to your skin. I hope I've been able to, convince you with these few points of mine. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Do well to like, so that YouTube can recommend this to other people, so that I can share in the good news. And please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If there are other videos you want to see, I beg you, please. I've said it before. The trick is not to ask, because once you ask, I'll make that video. Yeah. Please turn on your post notification if you can, and please share so that other people can be a part of this community. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.